Hi, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the sump hose on an LG washing machine. You'll know if your sump hose is ripped or damaged because there'll be water leaking from the bottom of the machine. In order to get your machine working efficiently and safely again, you'll need to replace it. Let's take a look. For this fix, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pliers. Also, you'll need to be turning the machine onto its side, so you may need to use a towel in order to protect the side of the machine once it's on the floor. And of course, you'll also need a new sump hose, and you can find a link to these in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. To safely access the sump hose, you'll first need to pull down the small access panel on the front of your machine. On this model, it's on the left-hand side. Now this panel covers the filter. Then pull out the emergency drain hose, remove the stopper, and drain any excess water into a small container. So what I've done is put some material down on the floor to protect the side panel of the washing machine and then put the washing machine onto its side. With that, you can see the sump hose here at the bottom of the machine. So to remove that, what I need to do is, using a pair of pliers, undo both Jubilee clips, one at the bottom, one at the top, and also using the Phillips head screwdriver, undo the screw that holds the retaining band in place. I should then be able to remove the sump hose via the bottom of the washing machine. Now, some new sump hoses don't actually come supplied with these Jubilee clips. So make sure when you're ordering them that it either does or doesn't come with these, as you may need to retain these when you fit your new one. When ordering a new sump hose on the eSpares website for your washing machine, it's essential that you know your washing machine's model number. This is to ensure you're getting the correct sump hose for your particular model. If you're unsure of where to find this model number, check out our video here, which will give you all the assistance you need. So with your new sump hose, what you need to do is reattach all the clips, and then you can fit the new sump hose into position. The bottom going on the drain pump down here, the top on the pressure pipe here, and then this large opening on the drum before tightening all the clips. With both Jubilee clips now firmly in place, you can then finally screw into position the retaining band which keeps the sump hose onto the bottom of the drum. Once that's done, just make sure that the sump hose is firmly fitted to all three. Refit your emergency drain hose into position if you haven't done so already. And put the flap back into place. So there we have it, how to replace a sump hose on an LG washing machine. Hopefully your machine is now working properly again and is leak free. However, if you find that your machine is still leaking water, check out our video here, identifying water leaks in a washing machine, that will give you all the assistance and guidance you need in order to identify those leaks and how to fix them. And of course, before you go, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all repair guides, appliance maintenance advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.